So today Virginia and I are going to peel the remainder of the walnut log. So hopefully we'll get done. And these are going to be used for a variety of things. We're talking about building a little walnut log gazebo possibly. And then possibly fencing to go on either side of this road here, which we're going to make into a road and remove the gate in time. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. So that's what we have left. I think we'll just do the bigger ones, and these little ones will pile over there and spray. And hopefully that'll be enough to deter the bugs.
Man, it's hot. I think it's hotter today than it was yesterday. It's really humid and sticky, and at least it's not raining, so we can get some work done and peel the rest of the logs today. But wow, my pants are sticking to me. My head's sweating. I don't have my cool neck thing on. I used to put a towel around my neck. It's like a cold thing that keeps you nice and cool.
Well, it doesn't really keep you cool, but at least absorbs some of the sweat.
But in the river, it's really, really low right now, so it's supposed to rain the next few days, and it's probably going to get high.
We are doing our best to organize things here. I think we're doing a good job. Ideas are hemlock for the interior walls of the cabin. So we got those 2 stacks there and this 1 stack here. This is a stack of lumber. Behind it is another stack of lumber. There's a big stack of lumber there. Hopefully we'll get the whole bottom done with that lumber. That'll be nice. And then over here we have the cutoffs from the hemlock. I asked to keep them because we want to build some cute little structures and use this as exterior walls. That should be fun. As for the walnut logs that we peeled today, posts and funky little structures that we'll make eventually just for fun on this property as we try our best to fix it. Our next job was probably going to be clean that, and we're trying to get a pump to work, pump water because we don't have water yet, but pump water here and power wash this thing inside and out. That'll be a big job in and of itself. Hopefully that will happen soon.